Hey everyone! Just as writers use text editors, software developers use something called IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. An integrated development environment is a software application that offers programmers a comprehensive set of tools and features to make their job easier. While text editors allow you to write code efficiently, they generally lack the advanced features that IDEs provide. IDEs offer benefits like integrated debugging tools, which allow you to quickly get rid of all the bugs in your program. And it uses syntax highlighting to automatically detect the programming language and apply specific colors, fonts, and styles to different elements of your code. This helps make your code more readable and cleaner. In this series, I'm going to use PyCharm. It's a dedicated Python IDE providing a wide range of essential tools for Python developers. You can get it from jetbrains.com. PyCharm comes in two main editions. One is the professional edition, and this version includes advanced features aimed at professional developers and organizations. So you have to pay for it. The other is community edition that is completely free and open source. So I'm going to download PyCharm Community Edition. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file. It's actually pretty simple to set it up. The installation process is usually straightforward and should only take a few minutes. Now we can see an installation wizard. Simply click Next, Next until you install PyCharm. One more time Next. The installer will now install PyCharm on your computer, and this may take a few minutes. Alright, we have successfully installed PyCharm and we can now start using it. Click on Create New Project and let's name our project Python Tutorial. As you can see, all my PyCharm projects will be created in one location, that is inside PyCharm projects directory. Here the base interpreter is automatically set to latest Python. Optionally, we can adjust this if you want to use a specific Python interpreter. Now click on Create button. PyCharm will automatically set up a basic project structure for you. And if you want to configure your theme in PyCharm, you have 5 themes available under the appearance settings. I prefer using a light theme. Alright, now I'm going to create a new Python file and write a simple Hello World program. Let's name our file Hello World. Now I type in print hello world and save my file. You can click on the green triangle to run the file and alternatively select run hello world from the context menu. Now you should see hello world printed in the run tool window at the bottom of PyCharm. This basic exercise helps verify that your PyCharm installation is working correctly. You can get it from jetbrains.com. Let's go ahead and download PyCharm. Here you can see two versions of PyCharm. One is the professional edition, which offers advanced features like web development and database support, but requires a paid license. The other is the community edition that's absolutely free and open source, and it's suitable for pure Python development. So I'm gonna download PyCharm Community Edition. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and double-click the DMG file to open it. In the window that appears, you see the PyCharm icon and a shortcut to your applications folder. Drag the PyCharm icon to the application folder to install it. Now go to your application folder. Alright, now I'm gonna launch PyCharm. The first time you open, you see a warning that it's from an unidentified developer. This is a security feature of macOS designed to protect our computer from potentially harmful software. Now I click Open to proceed. Here we can see the JetBrains end user license agreement. Check the box and click Continue to agree. And I choose not to participate in data sharing. Alright, now we are going to create our first project. Click on New Project. Let's name our project Python Tutorial. As you can see, all my PyCharm projects will be created in one location inside PyCharm project directory. Here make sure that base interpreter is automatically set to latest Python. And now I click on the create button. PyCharm will automatically set up a basic project structure for you. Now I'm gonna create a new Python file and write a simple Hello World program. Let's name our file Hello World, and now I type in print Hello World. You can click on the green triangle to run the file. Now you should see Hello World printed in the Run tool window at the bottom of PyCharm. This basic exercise helps verify that your PyCharm installation is working correctly. Alright, we have successfully installed Python and PyCharm on our computer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for a deep dive into Python basics in our next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.